Hey, Revive Home Solutions. This is Danny Scott with Undertow Digital. We're a nationwide marketing agency, and I wanted to make sure that I could get this video over to you to show you some tips and tricks on some things you can do to edge out your competition over here in Oklahoma City. Before I get started, I don't want to waste your time with this. I want to be able to give you as much value as possible. So by the end of this video, you see that I have some knowledge in this space and you would like to move forward with my team and myself to help you rank out here in the Oklahoma City market. Feel free to reach out. But if not, no harm, no foul. Just let me know what I could do better to serve you when it comes to this type of content. So the three things I'm going to go over, very brief three things, but super, super effective. Those three things are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So we can start with content since we're here. So what content is going to be the images you have on your site, the typed content like that, and then the images behind everything else, essentially. So you don't have too much going on your homepage right here. We do minimum 1,500 to 2,000 words of content per homepage. Reason why it has to be a little wordy is because the homepage, one, is most likely going to be the page that ranks on Google, and two, you want to be able to pack in as many keywords as possible so it can rank. But you don't want it to be keyword on keyword on keyword on keyword, essentially. You want it to have an organic flow. So when the Google crawlers come on your site with all the analytic information, they want to be able to know what it is that you offer and that you're an actual legitimate business, essentially. And then when it comes to the images behind everything else and the forefront images, as long as those are tagged as the higher ranking keywords in your area, that'll also help you rank a lot higher. So let's go into citations. So what a citation is, it's going to be your business name, your business address, and then the business phone number as it is on Google. So that is one citation, essentially. And the more directories you have your citations in, the higher you're going to rank in the map pack section, since citations is the primary thing that makes you rank in the map pack section. And what a directory is would be like Yellow Book, BBB, LinkedIn, Facebook, City Star, stuff like that, like places for businesses to put in their information, essentially. And those would be where you put all of your citations in, and that will help you rank in this section. So lastly, we're going to go into backlinks. So what a backlink is, and this is Ahrefs. It's a paid tool. You could pay for it. I pay like $300 for my team and myself. It's a great tool, honestly. You can look up the backlinks that you have, the referring domains of your competition, your competition's keywords, their traffic, a lot of stuff to help you do your own SEO in-house. But what a backlink is, it's a link from your site to another site or from a different site to your site. But not all backlinks are created equal. We'll actually go into your competitions right here. Not all backlinks are created equal. So the more relevant the backlink is, the higher you're going to rank online. So if, let's say, you were linked up to like a McDonald's, yes, McDonald's has a lot of rapport online, but since it's completely irrelevant to the repair industry, the home repair industry, anything like that, it wouldn't do much for your site. You want to make sure that all the backlinks are very relevant. So let's actually go into your competition's backlinks right here. And as you can see, they're all mostly relevant to what it is that the service is. So you have a Yellow Pages one, how to use install.com right here, best services, find services, site links, a lot of things that are mostly for the most part relevant to the actual site. And the great thing about this tool right here, if you chose to use it, is that you could go into your competition's backlinks and you could see exactly what they're using, the referring domains they're going from to get those backlinks, and essentially just use them for your own site. And so that first one I showed you was Handyman Oklahoma City. They are ranking, as you can see right here, #1 in the map pack area, which means they must have very, very high citations. And all of that is giving them 77 organic traffic per month, not terrible. You have Handyman Services Oklahoma City, and as you can see, they are ranking #3 in the map pack area, getting 52 organic traffic per month. Still not bad. I believe that they probably did not work with an actual marketing company, more off of word of mouth and whatnot, but that actually leaves room for you, or if you chose to work with my team and myself, to outrank them quite easily, especially when it comes to the keywords right here. More of like a bonus content, but let's hop into the keywords. This site can also help you see what are the higher ranking keywords in your area and what it is your competition is they are using to rank a lot higher. So as you can see, their name obviously is coming up, so I assumed a lot of word of mouth. But if you have Carpenters Oklahoma City, There's 150 volumes, so that means 150 people a month are searching for carpenters in Oklahoma City. And the KD right here is the keyword difficulty. So essentially the competition that you're going to have with that specific keyword. So with this tool, same as with the backlinks, you can come in here and use all the reasonable, obviously not their name, but all the reasonable keywords that they're using and plug that into your site, make a bunch of content, and that'll all help you organically rank a lot higher. So that's the end of this video. I don't want to make it too long, but as I said at the beginning, if you did find some value in this and you see I have some knowledge in this space and would like to move forward with my team and myself, feel free to reach out. But if not, no harm, no foul. I hope you had a fantastic Thanksgiving, and I hope to speak to you soon. Bye-bye.